Hello everyone.
Today we will talk about how to
how
fix
to
the app
fix
of
the app
Pay.
of
Pay. We will go to settings. Then we click on apps. After that we will search the app Pay and we click.
Pay
Then we will on for stop. After that we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end,
You will go to Play Store
turn off your phone
and you will update
and you
your
will
app.
recharge your phone again.
Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.
See you next time
And
and thank you for watching.
thank you for watching.